In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 electric guitars for beginners available right now. The best beginner electric guitar is probably the most important decision you'll make in your entire guitar playing career. Check the links description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the LyxPro 39 inches electric guitar for beginners. Novice electric guitar players can get rocking as soon as they unpack this LyxPro 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners because everything they need is included in the package. It features a 39-inch electric guitar as well as a 20-watt amplifier, a clip-on digital tuner, strings, strap, picks, and more. This is the best beginner electric guitar for young and old thanks to the handcrafted harmonious design that has everything you need to play beautiful music. Complete with a soft carry case, it won't be long before you can take your show on the road. For more amazing products like this one, check out our list of the best electric guitar amplifiers to buy right now. At number 4 is the Fender 24 inches short electric guitar for beginners. Inspire the young person in your life to start playing the electric guitar with this slightly smaller Fender 24 inches short scale electric guitar for beginners. This complete electric guitar and accessories bundle features a 24-inch scale length guitar and everything else you need to start rocking straight away. It has a 20-fret fingerboard for easy playing and a hardtail bridge for tuning stability. This may be the easiest electric guitar to play for those who are very young or who have a smaller frame, making it perfect for kids and those of a slighter build. It's the perfect guitar for those just starting out. Make sure to also browse our list of the top guitar amplifiers for beginners. Top 3 at our list is the Hohner DST-102S 39 inches electric guitar for beginners. Turn your home into your own music studio as you discover the wonderful world of music from your starter electric guitar. The Hohner DST-102S 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners gives you everything you need to play music like a rock star, eventually. This is a beautiful electric guitar with a unique design solid basswood body. It is enhanced by a laurel wood fingerboard and a stunning Canadian maple neck. This electric guitar for beginners produces a natural vibrant sound. Enjoy creating tunes to entertain family and friends. This piece can also be a nice gift for your audiophile friend. Moving up at number 2 is the ZENY 39 inches electric guitar for beginners. The best electric guitar to learn on is one that comes with everything you need such as the amp, strings, carry case, and more. Beginner players can often be overwhelmed with getting everything together, but the ZENY 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners and accessories take the hassle out of searching so you can start playing as soon as you get your guitar. This right-handed electric guitar features all wood construction with a beautiful smooth finish. The strings are of high quality that help deliver a smooth tone. Young or old, this is an awesome electric guitar for beginners to start learning how to play this iconic instrument. And at number 1 is the Epiphone Les Paul electric guitar for beginners. The Epiphone Les Paul electric guitar is the best guitar for beginners. Not only does this guitar come with everything you need to play like a pro, but it also comes with free downloadable guitar lessons from the media. This electric guitar for beginners features a stunning vintage finish and it comes with a 10-watt electric guitar amp with a 10-feet guitar cable. You can adjust the volume and tone via the knobs on the front of the guitar so you can control your sounds in a flash. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.